Here we go, back again with another video, and yes, today we're going to talk about how much money I made on my biggest viewed video on the Mad Mistake channel. Yes, we are now on my other channel, Mad's Out and About. It's a small channel at this moment in time with just over 1,200 subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. But my other channel, as you can see with the backdrop, is a football-based channel mainly to do with Sunderland. Has over 16,500 subscribers. Absolutely fabulous to everyone who's subscribed to that channel. But a few years ago, when I first started making football-based videos back in about 2018, I decided to make a video on finding the white cream egg. I went out and I bought a box of Cadbury's cream eggs for £24. But before we get more into how much I made on this video, this channel I'm on now is Mad's Out and About. I like doing 3 different things. I love eating, I love traveling, walking around. And I like real estate, houses. I love looking at different types of houses, different types of places. So a lot of that content will be on this channel, along with other things too. And now I've got over 1,200 subscribers on this channel, which is absolutely fantastic. Thank you guys. You have to get over 1,000 subscribers and also 4,000 minutes watched to be introduced or accepted or even invited into the paid partnership on YouTube to make money on YouTube videos. Currently, I'm on about 3,100 viewed minutes on this channel, so I'm not currently making any money whatsoever on this channel, but I'm trying to grow it as best I can because I do really enjoy the content on this channel, away from the stress from the Sunderland Football Club and the Mad Mistake channel. Stress, but I really enjoy that channel too, so I do have 2 different niches I really enjoy. I love football-based and Sunderland-based, content, but I do love also me housing, and I do love walking around the countryside, going around the world, traveling different places, and doing food reviews, all sorts of things on this channel. So I thought, I've been bad over the last week and a half. I haven't been able to do much content in this channel. So I've had people over a lot of years asking me, how did you actually make that video? How did you get that many views on that video when it's way more than any other video on your channel? And how much money did you make? So I thought, after 2018, it's now 2023, I'll let you know my process and the journey I did with that video. There's also lots of people out there who want to start their own YouTube channel. And, I'm 52 now. I'm coming to the twilight years of my lifetime. There's a lot of younger people out there who want to start YouTube, make money, and get a paycheck off YouTube. And you need to have over 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 minutes watched in 365 days to be accepted into the paid partnership. So that's what you have to do. Now, then you start making money you can have adverts on your channel, which makes money. At this moment in time, the majority of my money I make on YouTube are advert based only. That is on the Mad Mistakes channel. And also we do have some absolutely fantastic people who do donate on live streams too. As you can see, other passions in my life was running as well. But do you want to know, actually, did I find the white Cadbury's cream egg, or did I make it up? Wait around till the end. Yes, so when I decided to make the white cream egg video, I've always wanted to do a video, something different from football, and I love chocolate, absolutely love chocolate, absolutely love Cadbury's cream eggs. I thought buying 24 or 48 Cadbury's cream eggs just sounded like a good idea at the time. It cost me about £24 to buy that box, and I thought I could possibly make that money back. I really could make that money back if the video took off, it was successful. So I took the risk. So I bought the box, made the video, uploaded it, and within the first sort of few weeks I got 1,000 views. 1,000 views. I was a little bit disappointed. I could say I was a little bit disappointed, definitely a little bit disappointed. But at the same time, I made a little bit of money off that, not much whatsoever. But then, over the course of the year, over the 12 months, it rose to about 5,000 or 6,000 views. And I thought, yes, I'm quite content with that, happy with that. But then the following Easter, when Cadbury's released the white cream egg again, the video went absolutely viral for no reason. I had no idea why whatsoever. I just presumed either Cadbury's or YouTube were promoting and pushing this video, and it went from 6,000 views up to 300,000 plus views in that year, in that few weeks after Easter. It was absolutely bizarre, superb, mind-boggling. I couldn't believe it. Our watch was tremendous, the views were absolutely amazing, and then I realised I started to make some money on that video. Now, I'm not very good at technology, I'm not very good at editing skills, I'm not very good at creating stuff, and I'm not that clever, to be fair, so when it reached over 300,000 views for a video, I was absolutely buzzing, over the moon. I couldn't believe I'd actually done that. So it got beyond my wildest dreams. Between 2018 and now, the video has now made this many views, 428,000 plus views. That is absolutely amazing, absolutely amazing. I'm absolutely buzzing with that amount on one video only. And the amount of watch time, look at the amount of watch time on this video. And I know what you've all come on to look at and find out how much money I actually made on this one video. Now, I've looked out there and I've seen other people making these videos and how much they make on their channel. I don't have merchandise at this moment in time. I don't have any other way. I ain't clever enough to make money any other way. So let's let the ads do the talk. And this is based off only ads. Ads only. Over 290 plus pounds. Yes, 290 plus pounds between 2018. And look at the spike. And then now I'm making money. I'm making just pennies now on this video. But back then, over 290 plus pounds. So just imagine those people who start YouTube channels and grow into massive numbers, who have 1 million subscribers. Imagine the amount of money they can make, the revenue they can make. Imagine what you could do if you wanted to start your YouTube channel. If you have a passion in life, if you want to do and create videos like other YouTubers, not like me, I'm not very good, but other YouTubers out there, imagine you can get a paycheck, imagine you can earn a living off YouTube and doing what you enjoy like a lot of people out there do. I wish you all the best, I really do. But there we go, over £290 off that one video. Never been close. I've never been close again to making anything like that. Like I said, I don't think outside the book, outside the box. I'm not that clever to make exciting and astonishing. I'm not that intelligent to create really good editing on my videos. I'm just me. I go out there, I love what I do. I enjoy what I do. It's my hobby, my pastime, and that's it. You know, I've got a full-time job, which I do, and I'll always have a full-time job. This for me is a hobby, a little bit of pocket money to help me go out there and enjoy enjoy what I enjoy doing. Enjoy going to football matches. Enjoy going out there travelling around. It helps buy equipment like I have now. Like I got my studio light above in my room right now. So, you know, it's the little perks of I'm over the moon. I'm absolutely buzzing. I still can't believe it. I still got to wake up and slap myself now and again. I've got 16,000 subscribers. Absolutely amazing. That's on the Mad Mistake on this channel. I thought I would do the video on this channel rather than Mad Mistake for two reasons. You know, it's not a football video basically, so people from on my other channel have followed me over to this channel and are now watching the content on here. So thank you for subscribing. I hope that sort of you can understand how much money you can actually make on YouTube if you actually have a passion, but you have clever and great ideas. You know, that you can really go out there and you're young enough to grow your channel over time. Yes, over time. You can do such a good job on YouTube. Right, so there we go. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you've enjoyed the video. If you want to stay around and look at some other videos. I did one 2020 lockdown in Durham. I took a lot of footage. I didn't upload a lot of the footage and I put it together the other day and it's on the channel. The previous video, lockdown in Durham, not one single person, maybe it's one or two in the whole of Durham. Absolutely amazing. Take care, God bless me, God go with you, and we'll see you later. Thanks for watching Mads Out and About. Now there's two trains of thought out there. I actually found the white cream egg. Yes, I actually found the white Cadbury's cream egg. Or did I go and buy a bar of Dairy Milk white Milky Way white chocolate melted open up a Cadbury's cream egg, coat it in white chocolate, let it set, then wrap it back in the wrapper, and then open it and pretend that I found a white Cadbury's cream egg. Which way do you think happened? What do you think I did? Which train of thought do you think I was thinking about? I'll leave that with you. See you later. Either way, I couldn't give a Scoobies.